Let's say you bought a used Nintendo Wii from Facebook Marketplace or eBay, only to discover that it has parental controls enabled. Now you're completely locked out and can't access the games, settings, or software you wanted to use. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove parental controls even if you don't know the PIN number. First, open Wii Options, then go to Wii Settings, select Calendar, and choose Date. And you're going to update your date and your time to whatever the current date and time is. Once that's finished, go back, move over one page, and select Parental Controls at the top. The Wii will ask you whether you want to change parental control settings. Select yes. You'll then be prompted to enter the PIN. Instead of entering one, select I forgot, and then select I forgot again. The Wii will now display a confirmation number. Write this number down or take a picture of it, and then head over to your computer. Let's open the Wii Parental Control Reset tool, which I'll link in the description below. Enter the confirmation number you were received from the Wii, and then select the current date. The tool will generate a master key, write it down, and return to your Wii. Back on the console, press OK and enter the master key you just generated on your computer. Once it's been accepted, you should see a message confirming that parental controls have been disabled. If you run into an error, double check the date and time on your Wii that they are set correctly, and that's it. Now you should have full access to your Wii without having the old parental control pin. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more gaming and tech tutorials. Before we wrap it up, come join my community. We have over 30,000 gamers achievement hunting and join multiplayer matches. For more details, visit FrodoFraggins.com. See you in the next video.